Hi guys, in this short video I want to show you how to adjust the screensaver mode on a SINUMERIK CNC through the SINUMERIK Operate PC. To do that you need to access through the machine or the mode that you have on the right top menu and select setup. And in setup you have let me please delete first the password and see if we have access to the parameter and we can change. So let's go to machine data. In machine data you might be in the menu display machine data or any other machine data, but you need to select display machine data, and the parameter 9006, the display switch off in interval, is the screensavers. If you press help, you are gonna see that this is time for screensaver, and the default value might be 60 minutes and you have a maximum of 180 minutes. So if you don't want to enable that mode, or you want to disable the screen mode, the screensaver mode, you just need to change this by with 0 and enter 0. It doesn't allow me because I don't have the option, the level to modify the parameter. So let's go back here and let's enter the password. The password is going to be sunrise, capital letter. Okay, so let's go back to machine data, and now you see the color has changed. So now we have 0, so that means that it's not gonna go black the screen anymore. And to apply the changes, we need to do a power on, or actually it's a restart, application restart. You don't need to shut down the machine, you just need to turn off the HMI unit. So let's go to the main menu. On the machine you are going to have an additional menu with an arrow key to the right, and there once you press that you are going to see the menu exit, but in this case I need to do a restart from here, and that is gonna change or apply the changes on from the parameter that we just modified. There is another video that is going to show you how to reboot or restart the SINUMERIK Operate software from a real computer or real machine. Okay.